answer the query. So start with the query. First I'll load the corpus into the program, into memory. Everything will be tokenized, and then I will ask the query, what are types of supervised learning? Here we see types of supervised learning algorithms include active learning, classification, and regression. Let's try another. And the way this corpus consists of a number of Wikipedia entries on probability, Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, neural networks, and that sort of thing. All right, next question is, when was Python 3.0 released? And we get that the top sentence. Python 3.0 was released on the 3rd of December 2008. Let's try another question here. How do neurons connect in a neural network? Question mark. Neurons of one layer connect only to neurons of the immediately preceding and immediately following layers. Okay, so those are some of the questions that we had. I'm just going to try changing file matches to 2 and sentences to 3 and ask a few other questions. Let's try here. How do convolutional networks analyze images? Let's see what we get back here. Oops. Sorry, I forgot to run the program. How do convolutional networks help to analyze images? Question mark. Here we see some of the breakthroughs. Successful visual. Alright, so we got some good information. Let's try one more. Let's try, what is natural language processing concerned with? Question mark. And there we go. We got our answers. So that's it. I enjoyed this class very much. Thank you. This was cs50AI.